This is stock number 11-28J. It is a 2007 Volkswagen Eos 20T, 2-liter turbo engine. This is the BPY engine, California emissions. The automatic JPR transmission, front-wheel drive, 4-wheel ABS with ESP, all that good stuff. Had it running for about a half hour now. The motor itself seems like it's very good. It's got a bad tensioner on it, that's what's rattling. And also, the customer that we got this from said that the turbo is blown, according to her mechanic. I'm going to take it on a test drive in a sec, just to test tranny and test boost levels and everything. It does, I mean, it smokes a little bit, but I'm sure it looks like most of this is condensation. It's white, all the fluids are where they're supposed to be. It doesn't smell like oil or sweet like antifreeze, so I think it's just water from the exhaust. I mean, it's been sitting for a while, she said. You can tell by the pine pitch on the top of the trunk lid there. So yeah, interior looks pretty good. Speedometer cluster, you know, the instrument cluster works very well. There is 134,923 miles on it. We do have some traction lights on, and something to do with the steering, I guess. I don't know what that one's about. I'll have to research that, but you know, whatever. So let's take it for a rip, see what she does. Okay, steering wheel one just went out. That's pretty neat. And I think it needs a coolant temp sensor because it's saying that it's overheating, but it's not. I mean, it's blowing nice and warm, but the gauge hasn't moved. So I'm almost thinking that maybe the coolant temp sensor is junk, and that's what's going on. But the transmission seems like it shifts very well. No slamming, no slipping, no any of that stuff. It's looking like it's really nice. Let's see the boost. It seems like it does all right, I guess. I'll show you.
Put the top up.
Yeah. All right, I'll show you the roof in a sec. Oh, okay, maybe it is the turbo. Because when I was on the test drive, I noticed a little bit of smoke behind me, and yeah, now I'm smelling it. So, okay, but it did boost. So probably just bad seals. But the motor itself, like I said, seems good. Transmission seems good. Everything else. But while I got you here, I'll show you the roof. And that's it. Gotta say, it is pretty cool when that happens.